Dodge Demon 170, the ultimate street strip beast. When Dodge first introduced the Challenger SRT Demon in 2018, it rewrote the rulebook for street legal drag racing. Now, Dodge has done it again with the 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170, an even more extreme, more powerful, and downright insane version of its predecessor. This car isn't just about straight-line speed, it's about domination. It takes everything we loved about the original Demon and pushes it to the absolute limit. In this article, we'll break down what makes the Demon 170 so special, from its mind-blowing performance to the engineering marvels that let it achieve those numbers. If you're a fan of muscle cars, quarter-mile drag races, or just raw American horsepower, you're in for a treat. The heart of the beast, supercharged 6.2 liters Hemi V8. At the core of the Dodge Demon 170 is its monstrous 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8. This isn't just any engine, it's an evolution of the power plant found in the original Demon, but with significant upgrades to push it beyond anything Dodge has ever built. Unbelievable power output. On E85 fuel, the Demon 170 produces a jaw-dropping 1,025 horsepower and 945 pounds-feet of torque. That's over 100 more horsepower than the original Demon and nearly double the power of the standard Hellcat. Even on regular E10 pump gas, it still cranks out an insane 900 horsepower and 810 pounds-feet of torque. To put that into perspective, the Demon 170 is more powerful than a Bugatti Verona but with a fraction of the cost and weight. Engine enhancements. To achieve these numbers, Dodge made serious modifications. A larger 3.0-liter supercharger, compared to the original Demon's 2.7 liters. Higher boost pressure, from 14.5 pounds per square inch to 21.3 pounds per square inch. Stronger rods and pistons to handle the increased power. A high-flow fuel system that can adjust to different ethanol levels. Upgraded valve train for durability under extreme conditions. These changes make the Demon 170 the most powerful production muscle car ever built. Record-breaking acceleration, 0-60 in 1.66 seconds. Speed is what the Demon 170 is all about, and its 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 1.66 seconds makes it one of the quickest cars ever built. The quickest production car? Dodge claims the Demon 170 holds the title of the fastest production car in the world, but with a catch. Unlike electric hypercars like the Tesla Model S Plaid, which also boasts sub 2 seconds 0-60 times, the Demon 170 does it using old-school V8 muscle and rear-wheel drive. That makes this achievement even more impressive. Quarter-mile king. If you're a drag racing fan, the quarter-mile time is what really matters. And the Demon 170 delivers 8.91 seconds at 151 miles per hour, with full drag setup and E85 fuel. First factory production car banned by the NHRA without a roll cage. That's right, the NHRA banned the Demon 170 from official quarter-mile events unless it's equipped with a roll cage, because it's too fast for the safety regulations. That's the kind of flex only Dodge could pull off. Traction and suspension, hooking up that power. Putting 1,025 horsepower to the pavement is no small task. But Dodge designed the Demon 170 specifically for maximum traction. Massive drag radials. The Demon 170 comes with Mickey Thompson ET Street Hard drag radials straight from the factory. These 315/50R17 rear tires offer maximum grip, allowing the cart to launch harder than anything else on the road. The front tires are 245/55R18, designed to keep weight off the front wheels during acceleration. Trans Brake 2.0. Dodge improved its trans brake system, allowing the driver to preload the transmission and launch with even more control. This means smoother, more consistent launch, essential for serious drag racing. Weight savings. The Demon 170 is 157 pounds lighter than the original Demon, thanks to a lightweight carbon fiber drive shaft, removed passenger and rear seats, optional, lighter wheels and suspension components. All these weight savings help improve acceleration and quarter-mile times. Braking and handling. stopping the monster. Even though the Demon 170 is built for straight-line speed, it still needs to slow down, especially when you're hitting 150 plus miles per hour in under 9 seconds. High-performance braking system, massive Brembo brakes, 4-piston calipers, ventilated rotors to handle high-speed deceleration, upgraded ABS and stability control for better handling. Dodge also optimized the suspension for drag racing, with a soft front-end lift that helps transfer weight to the rear wheels during launch. Exterior and aerodynamics, bold and aggressive, the Demon 170 keeps the classic Challenger look, but with some aggressive touches. Wide-body design for better stance and stability, new fender flares to accommodate the massive rear tires, unique Demon 170 badging to show off its exclusive status, optional carbon fiber elements for reduced weight. Despite its focus on drag racing, the Demon 170 still looks like a proper muscle car, loud, mean, and unapologetic. Interior, stripped down or loaded, your choice. Dodge lets you choose between a bare-bones drag setup or a more luxurious interior with modern features. Drag-ready interior, single driver's seat, passenger and rear seats removed, minimal soundproofing to save weight, performance-focused digital display, comfort and tech options. If you want a more livable Demon 170, Dodge offers premium leather and Alcantara seats. You connect infotainment system with a 8.4-inch touchscreen. Harman Kardon sound system, for those rare moments when you're not flooring it. Whether you want a hardcore race-ready Demon or a powerful street cruiser, Dodge gives you the flexibility to choose. Limited production and price. Dodge is only producing 3,300 units of the Demon 170, 3,000 for the US, 300 for Canada. This makes it one of the rarest Challenger models ever built. The starting price, around $100,361, but with options and dealer markups, expect prices to go much higher. Considering its performance and exclusivity, this car is a future collector's item. Final verdict: the ultimate muscle car, the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 is a true send-off to the V8 muscle car era. With over 1,000 horsepower, a sub-9-second quarter-mile time, and NHRA band performance, it's the wildest muscle car ever put on the streets. If you want the fastest, most extreme, and most ridiculous factory-built muscle car, the Demon 170 is the ultimate choice. Dodge has cemented its legacy with this car, and it will go down in history as one of the greatest performance vehicles ever made. Are you ready to tame the Demon?